Hello, trading is closed on the 4th of September 2014 and I'm Jeff Tennant. Yesterday's call was for a rally, taking out the 2003.47 target followed by a sharp reversal, taking out 1996.54 with some lower targets, not necessarily the same day. So far the prediction is working, and before we look at the general picture, let's see how mejt fared today. Early on, the system said that ultimately higher prices would print. This was the color-coded target. It also said ultimately lower prices would print, and that was the color-coded target, and they all printed. There was also a signal, which is not discussed in my first book, but which is discussed in the software and in my second book, which is available electronically, which said there was a strong likelihood of a very sharp decline during the day. Anyone who wanted to play that had an absolutely perfect entry right over here, because there is resistance over mejt targets, and ultimate targets ultimately print. In the afternoon, the system said ultimately lower prices would print. Target was pretty close. They did print. System also said the move is false and will retrace. That gives us a target, most likely to print tomorrow, of 2006.32. I don't know about that one. I think it's more likely than usual to fail for a number of reasons. One reason is that major changes in trend, mejt likes to leave a failed target. Another reason involves standard technical analysis. We have 4 straight gap openings. None of the highs have been held at the close, and now we have an outside reversal bar in which we can't even recover above yesterday's lows. We have a trend line here. This could be a kiss of death if we drop immediately at the open. It would probably take us to around 1980, which is through the 1988.40 target. Anything can happen at the open tomorrow. There's the first Friday of the month unemployment report. I can't say it's impossible for another sharp gap up, but this looks like a pretty negative pattern to me, and I think that there's a greater likelihood than normal that the target of 2006.32 will fail. A lot depends on the open, and that's today's call.